be a test of my new system. It is now located in the attic of our garage, and there is a dead snake on the ground. So we are going to take a trip up to the top of the garage. There's all the new parts that I got for my system. There's the amplifier and CD player. And here is the panel with the Fireshield. There's a speaker strobe, and then there is another speaker strobe down there. And then you can see the pull station right next to the light. And so right now we are going to test it. So I'm going to take this off of sleep. I'm going to set this for continuous, and then we are going to drill it.
Attention! Attention! There has been an emergency reported in the building. Leave the building immediately using marked stairways
There's a problem.
and exits.
This guy right here isn't flashing.
Attention! Attention!
It could be a short
There
circuit.
has been an emergency reported
So I'm
in the
going to
building.
stop it now.
Leave the building immediately using marked stairways and exits.
Okay, so apparently there's a short circuit somewhere. So I'm going to fix that. You see in here. Let's see if I can put my camera down and you can watch me take this apart. Okay. I don't get it. If there's something wrong with it, the NAC should say error and give me something wrong with it. Huh. Everything should be up to par. Maybe the speaker strobe is faulty. Let's test it. Without the voice evacuation. Weird. Oh, you know what? I think I get what's wrong. It's not being energized enough. The flash rate, it's too slow. I bet you if I change it to continuous, it will work. So I'm going to go over here now and stop the drill. And now I'm going to program it. We're going to change it from temporal to continuous. Okay, we just set it for from temporal to continuous. So now it should work. Just have to wait for that trouble light to go off. Hurry, hurry, hurry. Hurry, hurry, hurry. Beep. Come on. Come on, you can do it. Here we go. Now let's test it. It should work now. Here we go. There we go, I was right. Temporal doesn't work. Okay, that was a waste of my time. Now we're going to put this back in, unfortunately. Now we're going to test the pull station, see if that works. Before I do that, I better get the keys. And that is it. Thank you for watching.